It's lupin season here in Maine, so that's what you can see in my background. But I'm here to tell you about something that's going to happen in October in Boulder. I'm so excited about this. We are going to do a 2-day body reading class, so please join that if you are in the healing arts that have to do with movement or massage. This will help you understand the relationships that you find in the people who come to you, no matter who they are. And then the reason I'm extra excited about this is that we're going to do a day of photo shooting. So if you sign up for this body reading class, you don't have to, but we really hope you will, sign up to have your photograph taken in a professional way for the new edition of the Anatomy Trains book. So you can be the example of the rounded shoulders or the fully erect shoulders, depending on who you are, it doesn't matter. The pattern that you have is all helpful because we're looking for common patterns that we can illustrate in the new edition of the book. You can help do that if you come, one, to this body reading class, which is great. I'm sure you'll have fun in those 2 days, and then to stay and have your own body read and a photo taken on the other side of it. That is a really good deal. And you can stay on if you want for another 4 days and do a dissection on the inside when we join Todd in the laboratories for anatomical enlightenment. They're both good things.